Okay, yesterday what we have discussed about the file system commands. Okay, about mkdir, rmdir, chmod, cd, pwd, and cd with multiple options. And after that, while we are creating the file level commands, how to create a file. Okay, using echo and redirecting it, as well as from existing file, we are going ahead and you are using the cat command, and we are going ahead and you are using the to create empty file, we are using the touch command. And other than that, we do have a va operator, va file editor. Okay, that I'm going to explain at the end of the time. Okay, this is a specific thing. Mohammed. Okay, while we are dealing with the va, right, while we are dealing with the va, I'll show you how to create a file, how to modify the file, how to do all those things using va editor. We'll consider this as a last thing. Okay, we'll consider this last thing. And head is nothing but it is going to give you the top 10 records, and is nothing but ls minus lrt, nothing but it is going to list the files and folders from a given directory. Okay, now let's go and create a file. I'm using the echo commands. Okay, I'm printing something and I'm redirecting to file name.txt. First line, and what I have given, just I have given the number. Okay, SR Technologies is providing ETL testing training. Okay, second line, I'm providing SR Technologies providing ETL testing training as well as and big data testing training as well. Okay, here we have a two statements. Okay, first statement, I'm overwriting the file. Okay, second statement, I'm going ahead and I'm appending the data. Okay, like that I have created 20 lines. Okay, I have created 20 lines. Okay, now can I execute these things? Can I execute this? Okay, how it is going to execute, let's see. Okay, I'm pasted. Okay, I pasted, I'm entering it. Okay, now the file name has been created, right? The file name.txt has been created or not? Can we open that? Whether the data has been loaded properly or not. Can we see how many lines? I have created 20 lines. Can we see 20 lines here? Guys, can we see 20 lines here? See, we have created using echo, we have redirected the output. And now we see, I have given number as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. We have given the number. Okay. Now we have created a file. Okay. Now we have created a file. Now I wanted to open a file. Okay. I wanted to open a file. Now I have created a file. Okay. Now I wanted to open a file. How can I open? How can I read the data from file? What is the command? Yesterday I have explained. Cat is the command where we can go ahead and read the file. Now, can we see that? Can we see here what I have done? Using cat, I'm able to read the data or not? I'm able to read the data or not? Cat is the function. Cat is the command which we can use for open a file. Okay, open a file and read the data. Open a file and read the data. Can we use only single file? Can we only use?
No, I will do it, sir. I will do it.
Can we only open single file at a time or multiple files? Can we do that? Can we see? Okay, how many files we can open at a time? Now I have opened one file at a time. Can I go ahead and do that? Can I do that? Can I do that? How many lines came? How many lines came, guys? 40 lines came because it is open 2 files. Okay, it is open 2 files. Are you clear? Everybody, are you clear? We can open n number of files at a time. N number of files at a time. Okay. Now we are able to see 40 lines. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, okay, as I mentioned, what I mentioned just now, using cat, can we create a new file? Can we create a new file? I'm going ahead and I'm giving the new file. Okay, I'm opening the file name.txt and I'm creating a new file name.txt. Just I'm pasting it out. What happened? Here new file name.txt has been created. How can I check? just by clicking this. Okay, I'm just taking this new file dot name txt. Okay, can we see the data? Can we see the data and as well as file name? Can we see exactly whatever the data which is present in file name.txt, same data which is present in the new file name.txt. Are you clear? It's a identical. Both are identical. Identical means both are same. Both are same. Are you clear, guys? Everybody. Now, sir, you saying okay, single file. Okay, I have a two files. Can I merge two files and make it as a single file? Can I do that? I'm used right now. I have opened single file and I have created new file name.txt. Okay. Now I have a 2-3 files at a time. I have a list of files which is there. Can I open all files and create a single file? Yes, we can do that. How we can do that? Now here you can see. Okay. Cat file name.txt and another file name.1 txt. Okay. And I'm redirecting to new file name.txt. Let's do one thing. Okay, to verify it. Okay, to verify it. Okay, first we'll see wc-l. How many records are there? wc-l. How many are there? 20. Okay, now file name 1.txt. How many are there? Let's see. How many? Overall, how many records are there, guys? Overall, how many records are there? Two files, 40 records. Exactly, Muchalapa. Now, whatever new file name.txt, how many records should be present? 40 records should be present. Okay, 40 records should be present. Now, let me open this new file name.txt. Okay, new file name.txt. .txt. How many came? Let's see. Okay, how many came? 40. Now, sir, you say you have given only two files. Only is it a limit for two files or n number of files? N number of files you can open at a time. N number of files you can open at a time. At the same time, you can redirect the output to new file. You can redirect the output to new file. The requirement goes like this. Okay, in real time. Okay, I have a 10 files. Okay, let's merge it as a single file. They'll ask you, I have a 10 files, list of 10 files are there. I wanted to form as a single file. How we can do that? Using cat operation, cat command. Using the cat command, we can do that. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Now the question comes. Can I list the number while I'm reading the data? Okay. Can I print line as well? Can I print line as well? How can I print line as well? Okay. How I can do that? Just giving the n option, by just giving the -n option. Can we see here? Can we see here? How many rows are there? 20 rows are there. Okay. What is this? It's a serial number. It's a serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay. You can see 20 lines. Okay. 20 lines are there. Okay. Cat -n. -n is the option where you can use -n and you can display the number of lines. Okay. How many along with the data. Now one more option is there. Okay. cat-b. cat-b. Did you see any difference here? Did you see any difference here? Both are displaying the line numbers. Both are displaying the line numbers, right? Both are displaying side by side line numbers. Okay. Can I insert empty line? Can I insert empty line? Empty line. Okay. Just create empty line. Okay. And I'm just appending to this particular file. Okay. Now, if I do cat-b, how many records came? 20. If I do cat-n, how many came? Why? Guys, understand cat-b, cat-n. Guys, are you understanding or not? I have added another empty line. I have added another empty line. Okay. By adding an empty line, okay, cat-n also it will give you number of lines. Cat-b also it will give you number of lines. But cat-b always it is going to take the data wherever the data is present. Only it will give you line numbers. If it is any empty lines are there in between, it is not going to count. It is not going to count. Okay. To identify what are the non-null lines. Okay. You can say non-empty lines. Okay, if you wanted to identify non-empty lines, how you can do that? By just simply giving the cat-b and file name. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Are you clear, everybody? Everyone? Guys, I'm going ahead and I'm extending the classes until Saturday. Okay, completely Unix only. Okay, I'm going to complete this Unix last another 4 days. Okay, another 4, including today, another 5 days, which is going to be covered. Okay, Saturday I'm going to take another 2 hours extra. Okay, so that we'll cover Unix completely with the options as well, because nobody going to cover this much. Okay, in couple of institutes they have not even touched upon this Unix as well. Okay, none of the I think most of the institutes they are not even covering the Unix in terms of ETL testing training. Now, okay. Now I wanted to print. Okay, dollar at the end in Unix, right? In Unix, okay, by default, okay, line end of character is dollar. Okay, line end will come as a dollar. Okay, if you wanted to print line end, what it is line end? Okay, you can see dollar symbol. You can see every line. Okay, every line you can see dollar symbol. Are you clear, guys? Every line you can see it. At the end of the line, we have a dollar. Okay, are you clear? Now, okay, now cat-pte. Okay, this is going to be, this is the option. Okay, this is the option. Okay, where it will display special characters. Right now, okay, do we have any special characters? Dollar is the special character. Okay, other than that, we don't have any control characters. Okay, control A, control B, control C. Those characters are not there in this file. That is the reason we don't see that. Okay, we don't see that. Okay, for example, if you wanted to do control, if you wanted to enroll, okay, suppose I'll create a one row. Okay, Ravindra. Okay, Ravindra. Okay, enter. Okay, control V, control A character. Okay, then control V, control B. Okay, control B character. Then control V, control C. Okay, and then Ram. Okay, then Ravindra, Raghu. Okay, and Surendra. Then Charan. Okay, and I'm creating a file. Okay, special character file dot txt. Sorry, 1 minute. This is my bad. Okay, what should I do here? Instead of cat, I should use the simply. It's my bad completely. Just I have to echo this. Okay, not cat. Echo. Okay, echo, and then how to redirect this out to special character file. I should not do this. If I do this automatically, it is not going to be like that. What we expected. Echo. Okay. Echo Ravindra. Okay. Then control V, control V. A. Control V, control B. Okay. Control V, control C. Okay. Control V, control D. Then Ravindra. Okay. Ram, Raghu. Okay. Ramesh. Okay. Then we do have a we have a special characters file. Okay, special character file .txt. Now can we see this? Okay, let me open this file. Okay, let me open this file. What happened, guys? Can we see control A, control B, control C? Can we see whatever the things which we see here? Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the control characters. Okay, can we see that? Can we see? Now, if I wanted to see this, okay, special characters, how can I search? Just by giving VTE option, by just giving VTE option. Can we see now? Are you clear? So suppose if anybody asks you, okay, do you have any special characters in the file? How can you check? How can you check? By giving cat-VTE. By giving cat-VTE. These are the things which we can use the cat function. Okay, using cat command, you can go with this many options. There are other options also there. Okay, but whatever I can cover it up as part of this is more than enough for your ETL testing. Okay, so next command. Okay, head command. Yesterday what we have discussed, to display top 10. Okay, to display by default, if I can go ahead and give the head. Okay, head file name dot txt. How many records it will display by default? How many, guys? How many records it will display? Top 10 records it will display. Top 10 records it will display. Top 10 records. Okay, now I have a n option. Okay, I have a n option. Okay, what it does, if I give number top, if I give n option -n, okay, if I give 5, how many it will come? Top 5 records it will come. Top 5 records it will come. Can we see that? How many came? Top 5 records. Okay, here the number is optional. The number is optional. When I say not optional, the number is custom. Okay, the number which you can give by your own. Okay, you can give 1, you can give n. Okay, 1 to n you can give, you can give it. Okay, that's it's again based on the usage. Top n records it will come. N records, top n records it will display. It will display. Okay, next, sir, you are saying n lines, right? Right now I'm displaying the lines, top n lines. Okay, now I wanted to see top n characters, n bytes. Okay, characters are bytes which we are going to display. Okay, top only 6 characters I wanted to display. Okay, can we see that? How we can do that? How many characters which we have asked? How many characters which we have asked? 6 characters we have asked. How many characters it has been displayed? How many characters? 6 characters, right? If I can give 10, what happened? If I can give 15 here, what happened? Are you clear? Head-c, which is going to display the character level. Okay, top n characters, characters or bytes. Okay, it will display the data. It will display the data. Now, can I open single file or n number of files? N number of files I can open at a time. Okay. What happened here? Can you able to see what happened? Here you can see, right? File name .txt. Okay. After that, top 10 records. Okay. Again, file name .txt. After that, again 10 lines of the data. Now, I don't want to head and -n C 15 will work, bro. Ganesh, I'll take this. Okay, later point of time. Let me finish this. Okay, once we have covered and head, after that I'll explain this. Okay, file name .txt. Can I open multiple files? But I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. This particular piece. What is this? file names. Okay, file names. I don't want to see that. Okay. Now, what is the option not to see these file names? What is the option which we can use not to see these file names? Q, -q, which is going to give you, it is quietly, it will open the files. Quietly, it will display the top n records. When I say quietly, what is going to happen? What happened? Did we see file names here? Did we see file names here? One more thing. Okay, one more thing. Okay, now head -v. Okay, what is going to happen? Let's see. What happened? Suppose single file, right? By default, if you can go ahead and open the single file. Okay, did we see file name here? If you open head-file name, okay, did we see the file name? But you can't able to see the file name. Now I wanted to display the along with the file name. Okay, the output which is going to come along with the file name. How can I do that? Can I do that this way? Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Okay, I wanted to hear from 20 people. I wanted to hear from 20 people. Don't do like yesterday, okay? Still one more guy is left. Okay, let's ignore these guys. I don't understand this guys. Okay, it will display the n number of records, okay, using along with file name, okay. Here it will not display the file name along with records, Next, okay, it will open n number of files. Are you clear, guys, till now? Are you clear, everyone? Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and explore another command. What is that command? Tail. Head is, it's a vice versa. Okay. Head is going to give you top n. Okay. Tail is going to give you bottom n. Okay. It is going to give you bottom n. Guys, 1 minute. Now we'll go with the tail. Tail is nothing but it will display the bottom of file. Okay. Instead of bottom, we'll say last 10 lines of the date, 10 lines of file. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let me go ahead and give the file name .txt. Just without giving any options. Can we see here? Why it came 12? What is the reason? Because we do have an empty line at the end. Okay. Instead of file name 1. Okay. We'll take the file name 1. What happened? File name .1. Because file name .1 doesn't have any empty row. Okay. Now can we see how many rows coming? 11 to until 20. How many rows? 10 rows. Bottom 10 rows. From last it will come 10 rows. Okay. Can we see here? How many rows came? Bottom 10 rows. Bottom of the file, it will come 10 rows. Now I wanted to see only 5 rows. How can I give? I can give tail -n. Okay. And give the numerical value. How many came? Guys? 5 rows came. 5 rows. Now I can give even 2 here. Okay, 2. Or I can give single line. Okay, single line. What is the row should come? 20th row should come. Can we see here 20th row? Can we see that? Are you clear, everyone? Now let's go with the other option. Okay. Previously we have used the even characters, right? Previously we have used in head, we have used the n number of characters, top n characters. Now we will go with the bottom n characters. Same thing, okay? Same thing. Now here, let's go ahead and give the 6 characters. Okay, 6 characters. What it is happening? Are you guys understanding what it is happening? What is happening? Okay, let's go with the file name 1.txt. Okay, what is happening? Tell me, guys, how it is taking? From which side it is taking? Previously, it has taken from left side. When we are using the head, it has taken from left side. Now it is taking from right side. Are you getting me, guys? Are you getting me? Why I am using this hyphen characters? Whenever you are using tail, right? Okay, it is going to go with the right side. Okay, whenever you are using head, automatically it will read the data from left side. Now, how many characters are coming? To check, right? To check. WC-C, WC-C. Previously, WC-L we have used, where it is going to read the number of lines. Okay, number of lines it is going to count. But WC-C, which is going to count number of characters. Number of characters. Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear, everyone? Now, ping me 20%. Okay. Because we do have a spaces. That is the reason we see that. We do have 2 spaces. Because of that, we see well. Okay. See, that is the reason. Okay. For you, you have that kind of confusion, right? That is the reason I have given WC-C, whether it is coming properly or not. Okay. Whether it is coming properly or not. Now, okay. Let's give 10 characters. Not here. Okay. Let's give 10 characters. What happened? What happened? Tell me. Four characters. Okay. Seven here. Okay. 7, 8, 9. Okay. After well, you have a single space. That is the reason overall 10 characters are coming. 10 characters are coming. WC is nothing but it is going to count number of characters, Vinay. Number of characters from a file. Okay. Number of characters from a file. Are you clear, Vinay? Number of characters it is going to check. Are you clear or not still? That's a nice, Vinay. Okay, because if you are not clear, you always, I'm happy to help you. Okay, I'm happy to help you. That is the right way to clarify. Okay, don't keep quiet. Now, can we open my n number of files here? Yes, we can see that. Same thing, how it has happened. Now, can we see here? Okay, file name 1, 12 to until 21st. Okay, we do have an empty line in the 21st line. Can we hear 11? From bottom to 10 lines, it is going to take. From last to first, it is going to take 10 lines. Can we see here? Now, okay, now same thing. Okay, I don't want to see file names. So, what can I use? Q is the option, right? Tail-Q. Can we see here? Can we see? The question comes. Okay, the question comes. Sir, you see empty line. You see line here. Why it is coming? Because it is an empty line. Okay. Now that is done. Okay. Now same thing. Okay. I wanted to print which file? I'm printing top n lines. Okay. How can I do that? Same thing. Tail-V. Now let's go ahead and use the tail hyphen f. Okay, tail hyphen f. Okay, now here you can see tail hyphen f. It is going ahead and it is opening the file. Whenever you are seeing log file, okay, log file. When you are running the job, right? When you are running the job, by default, the file is going to add the log files. Job is going to add the log files. Now you can see it is top n lines, it is printing. Okay. Can I add another couple of lines? How it is going to show here? Tail f, how it is going to show? Okay, I have another session. Okay, I have another session. Okay, here, what is the file name? I'm adding echo. Okay, echo SR 21st line, 22nd line. Okay, SR technologies. Okay, I'm copying and I'm pasting here. What did I do here? You guys understand the thing? You guys did you guys at least observe what I have done? Let me explain this parallelly. Okay, now here I'm adding the data. Here I'm adding the data. Did I ask the system to display here? I asked the system to display here. What happened? If I add data here, automatically what happened here? Is it displaying or not? Now can we see 23rd line? Can we see 23rd line? What happened? What happened? Now can we see 24th line? What happened? Are you clear? See tail hyphen f. Okay, it is going to whatever the data which is going to be we are appending to the log files, automatically it will display. If the job is running and continuously adding the log files to that particular job, okay, that particular file, if you can do tail hyphen f, automatically it will display the data. It will display the data. Suppose this is the job, whatever we are doing, we are adding the additional logs to the file. Now, what is going to happen? 25th it came. Now I'm adding 26th. Okay. Can we see here? Are you clear about tail hyphen f? Are you clear, everybody? It automatically display. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear, everyone? Now, how we can come out of it? Just Control Z. After using tail hyphen f, okay. If you wanted to come out of that, just use the Control Z. Are you clear? Now, how many commands we have covered today? What are the commands, guys? Cat, head, tail. Okay, let's go with the grep. What is grep basically? What is basically grep? We do have a n number of options. Okay, we do have a n number of options with the grep. Okay, let me explain one by one. First of all, grep is nothing but it is going to search the data. Okay, suppose I have a file. For example, here we have a file, right? What is that? Everywhere we are providing the SR technologies. Now I wanted to search SR technologies. Okay, how many lines SR technologies are present? Okay, how can I search? Generally, if you wanted to go ahead and do the in Windows, right? What you are going to do? You open the file and you do the Control F. But do we have that Control F option here? We don't have an option, that kind of things. We should use some command, right? What is that command? Grep is the command where you are going to search. How many ways you are going to search? How best we can search it? Okay. Along with that, how many ways which we can represent it? Okay. Let's go with one by one. Let me give you the options. Okay, guys, if you are enabling the video, okay, please close that. Okay. Now, what are the options are there? First of all, understand. Okay, each option I'm going to explain. First, grep-c. This prints only the count of the lines that match a pattern. Okay. Suppose, for example, you have 100 lines. Okay, 100 lines of the data is there. Okay, 100 lines is there, but it is matching only 10 lines, the pattern. Okay, SR technologies is presenting only 10 lines. Then how many count it will give? Only 10 count it will give you. Okay, next thing, H, display the matched lines, but do not display the file names. For example, we have a, let me go ahead and complete this first one by one. Okay, let me go with the options as well as along with explanation. 1 minute, guys. Now, yeah, now here we are using the grep-c. Okay, let me do one thing, grep-c. Now let's go ahead and see the SR technologies. Now I'm keeping SR technologies. How many times it is been present? Okay. First of all, without using option, if I do, how it is going to be look like? Okay, without any option. Okay, without giving any option. Let me search it. How many times it present? How many times? How many times, guys? 5 times it present. Okay. Now, if I can go ahead and use the grep-c, how it is going to look like? What it has to give? It is going to give you the number. It is going to give you the number. Can we see? Can we see here? Is it displaying the data? Is it going to give you the count? It is giving the count. Okay. Number of lines which is matching. Number of lines which is matching. Number of lines which is matching. Now, okay. Now let's go ahead and give this one. Okay. For example, previously we talked about how to open the files. Now let's do this thing. Okay, grep SR technologies. Okay, not SR this way. Okay, let's go ahead and do the normal SR technologies. Generally, whatever we have written, right? Same thing. We'll copy. Okay, we'll do SR technologies and we'll give the file name .1 txt and 1 txt. Can I search multiple files at a time? Yes, we can search multiple files at a time. Can we see here wherever the record is matching, from that file? Okay, what it is displaying? Can we see here file name 1.txt, file name .txt? 2 lines are present or not? 2 files are present or not? Here you can see file name .txt. Here file name .1.txt. See if it is matching from the files. Okay, it is displaying along with the file name. I don't want to display the file name. Just I wanted to see output. Okay, I don't want to display the file name. I wanted to see output. How can I see that? How can I do that? Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing. Whatever the command which we have used. Okay, same thing. Okay, just I'll go ahead and I'll do the -h. If I do, file names will go off. What happened? Did we see file names here anywhere? No. How you can make sure, okay, whether both are displaying or not? How many lines are there overall? Which is matching SR technologies like this? 40 lines are there. Can we see 40 lines here? 40 lines. Okay. Now one more thing. Okay. SR technologies and this, everything is matching, right? Everything is matching. But while I'm checking, right? While I'm doing SR technologies like this, okay, from file 1, how many records are coming? How many records? Only 5 records are coming. How many records are coming? Only 5 records. Can we see WC-L? How many records are coming? 5 records. But actually, if you remove the case statement, if you remove the case insensitive, I would say case sensitive. For example, lesser technologies, this and this both are same or not? Let's see. Let me see here. If I can click, is it highlighting or not? Is it matching as is or not? Now, irrespective of whether it is uppercase or lowercase, I don't want to bother about it. I wanted to see the output. Okay. How can I do that? How can I remove case sensitivity? Now, okay. Now, how can I ignore case sensitivity? Just do by giving the grep -i, grep -i, grep -i. Can we see now how many records should come? Every record should come apart from blank line. How many are coming? How many are coming, guys? 25 records should come. 25 records came or not? Because we are ignoring the case sensitivity. We are ignoring the case. Okay. We always go with the whether the string is matching or not. Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear? Now the question comes. Now the question comes. Okay. Display the file names only. Suppose, okay. Now I wanted to display the only file names. Okay, which is matching with the pattern. Which is matching with the pattern. Now I don't want output. I want this SR technologies wherever it is matching that particular file names only. How can I do that? Just by giving this. Okay. By default, what it is going to come? Which file it is going to match? File name dot one take file name only, it will come, right? Now I wanted to see only file name. How can I do that? By using L. By using L. Which is matching that pattern? Only file name dot txt is matching. What about other? It is not matching. It is not matching. That is the reason it is not showing. Now, if I do this way, okay, if I do this way, L, okay, both will match or not? Both will match or not? Both files should come. Reason is this particular case, right? SR technologies, both files are containing. That is the reason we see both the files are coming. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? Now the question comes. Okay. Now the question comes. Okay. I don't want to go with the just like by listing the content only. I wanted to list the along with line numbers as well. Now let's go ahead and see. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. grep -n. It will display the wherever SR technology is matching. Okay. That particular thing. Can we see here which line is matching? 22nd line, 23rd line, 24th line, 25th line, 26th line. See, this we have given content. Okay, this we have given content. We have loaded. But what is this? If you use grep -n, automatically this will display. This will display. Now the question. I don't want. Okay, I don't want SR technologies wherever it is present. Okay. Other than that, I want it. Okay. Suppose this case, right? Negation, right? Suppose negative way. Wherever SR technologies is there. Other than that, I want that particular output. Using grep -v. Okay. Suppose I don't want Ravindra. Here. For example, you have a output is like this. You have a file name like this. Okay. Ravindra, okay, Ram, okay, Raghu, okay, Ram. I wanted to exclude, okay, Ravindra, and rest of the data should display. Are you getting me? So I wanted to exclude Ravindra line. Now, how can I do that? Using V option, grep-v option, we can do that. How many lines it will display, guys? Remaining 20 lines it will display. Remaining 20 lines, 21 lines it is going to display. Can we see? If I do WC-L, what is going to come? 21 lines or not? See, this SR technology is a case sensitive. Okay. Here we are giving uppercase. That is the reason we are seeing lowercase SR technologies. Lowercase SR technologies. Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Now, let's go ahead and go with the other option. Let's go with the other option. File. Okay. See, grep hyphen is nothing but it's going to give you the expression. Okay. Grep hyphen E. Okay. And you have to give, suppose, SR technologies. Okay. SR technologies. And you can give file name dot txt. It's nothing but an extended grep. Something is wrong because now you can see, right? Now you can see, right? With multiple options also, I'm able to write it up. With multiple options also, I'm able to write it up. Using E option, right? You can use multiple options. Now, extend a regular expression. Okay, this particular thing I'll get back to you. Okay, this particular thing E. Okay, I need to look back. Okay, now EF, I'm not sure. I never used it at any point of time. I'll go ahead and I'll explain that. But hyphen W. Okay, hyphen W. What is that hyphen W? It is going to take matched whole word. For example, okay, what we have given 19 SR technologies, right? 19 SR technologies. Here we have given 20 SR technologies. If I can give, okay, grep hyphen W, okay, grep hyphen W. If I can give whatever the things which we have, right, SR technologies here, okay, SR technologies, not SR technologies. Let's go with the lowercase SR technologies. If I can give this one and file name .txt, are we going to see the data or are we not going to see the data? Tell me, guys, are we going to see the data or not? Are we going to see the data or not? Okay, lot of folks are saying yes. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Why it is not coming? Why it is not coming, guys? Everybody saying yes. Why it is not coming? The reason is it is going to check whole word, entire word. It is going to check. If it is not matching entire word, okay. When I say word, okay, you can see, right, what we have done. SR technology, 19 SR technologies, 20 SR technologies, 1 SR technologies, like that we have given that particular word. Okay, but do we see that? Do we see here only SR technologies with the lowercase and this way? Can we see here at any point of time? No, that is the reason it is not given anything. It is not given any output. Now, okay, now grep hyphen O. Now let's see here grep -o how it is going to display the data. What happened? Previously entire word is coming, right? Entire line is coming. Now whatever the matched part only it is coming. If you use the grep -o, it is going to print only match part of the line. Match part of the line. Now can we use this way? What happened? What we are printing? We are printing along with the line number. Okay. Now if I use okay, what's happening? What's happening, guys? How many options I'm using? First, what it is going to do? First, it is going to not going to worry about the case. Then after that, it is going to print only match part. After that, what it is happening? It is going to print the which line number it is matching. Which line number it is matching. If you understand this, right? After 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, do we see 21? Why? Because it is a empty line. Because it is a empty line. Are you guys understanding? Are you guys understanding? Everyone, are you guys understanding how I'm using? How I'm dealing with the options? We have a n number of options. Okay. Using n number of options, how I'm dealing? I'm one by one, I'm aligning it. One by one, I'm aligning it. Are you clear? See, getting to know options is fine. Okay. How can I use with n number of options? That is the question. Now let's go with the for example. Okay. Now I wanted to print. Okay. For example, I wanted to print, for example, grep -a. Okay. n is nothing but a number. Okay. For example, 1. Okay. What we are searching here? SR technologies we are searching. Let's see. Okay.